It's so yummy. Let's crunch it. The ingredients is ice cream and breadstick. Your Ivan is crushed now. May I look? Oh, it's crushed. Let's eat it. Okay. Here's the look. Here's the look. It's so yummy. You want some, guys? Have some. It's so yummy. Want some, Alban? No. Okay. I'm full. It's a joke. Look, guys.
Catch these strictly Pinoy movies.
It's so yummy.
Heart of Asia. This February.
Yummy? Let's get some water. You get it. You get yours too. Okay. Wait, guys. I'm going to get us one. Hi, guys. We are back again. We have water. Cheers. Oh my. Bon appetit, guys. If you are watching this, sorry for that, miss. Okay. Let's eat. You want some, guys? Look, guys. It's so delicious. Ano kaya kung lagyan natin ng tubig?
Wala, naiwan lang ng driver na bukas yung truck. Kumilos na kayo, baka malayo pa sila. Yes, sir.
Sorry, guys. We are Filipino. Sorry.
Hindi na mauulit pag ginawa ko pagtulong sa inyo. Kaya tumakas na kayo.
Let's pour some water in our ice cream. Do you want? Nope. I'm full. Sasabihin mo. I'm done. I will teach you Tagalog today. Salamat is thank you. Hello is kamusta. Salamat is thank you. Bye. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.